Happy new month, traders. Happy new month, traders. Happy new day, happy new week. Hope you guys are having a wonderful trading week, and I still pray that you guys are going through this week in a great way and making sure that you're doing what's important and you're leveling yourself up and you're staying out the way. What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I know that you guys are going through this week in a great way, and I still pray that you guys go through this week in a great way. This is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm back with another video. So today I want to share a trade breakdown with you guys into how I took this wonderful trade on USD CAD using the simplest and far most importantly trading technique that any trader can capitalize with. But this video today will be mainly based on how you can also capitalize like I already have capitalized. Do you guys get that? But before we get any further with the video, make sure you smash the like button, you click that subscribe button, you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop exclusive content. And if you want to look at my day in the live vlogs, you can still do that. Or if you want to be part of the COT Academy group chat, COT Academy has came up with 3 exciting and scrumptious services. We're having that 3-day service, we're having that one-on-one service, and we're having that 30-day virtual service. So you can choose which do you prefer or which do you want COT Academy to assist you with, and let us do the rest from there. But without further ado, guys, let me share with you guys this wonderful gems so you can also capitalize and benefit like many traders have also benefited in the COT Academy group, right? So USD CAD, guys, you guys know that every time when I approach USD CAD, I use currency strength and currency weakness. But what I mainly go for, it's price action. How is the market, or how are the charts sitting? Do we see more bear signs or do we see more bullish signs? Do you guys get that? So after using price action, after analyzing using price action, that's when I use currency strength and currency weakness, right? So on USD CAD, okay, let me remove this. So USD CAD, guys, we had obviously this this 4-hour horizontal ray right here. So we had this 4-hour horizontal ray. You guys get that? You can clearly see how is it moving, right? So when I zoom out, when I zoom in the charts, you can clearly see that price has been having multiple reactions on this horizontal ray. In some terms, price has been holding buys above this very same horizontal ray, or let me just say price has been more bullish every time we've came to this very same horizontal ray or this price action zone, right? So when you now understand that, okay, price has been having some type of horizontal ray that we've been supporting. When I now saw that, okay, looking at price action, price has been creating lower lows and lower highs, 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 right? Until we came back to our very same our very same zone. So when you now look, you can tell that, okay, price has been holding a bear move, a bear structure, or price has been holding a bearish behavior. We've been behaving in lower lows and lower highs. You guys get that? So once I saw that, okay, price is holding a bear behavior. Now waking up on Tuesday, because this trade was took the last Tuesday of June, right, which was like last month or last week. So when I saw that, okay, price has printed out this lower low, and from printing out this lower low, price is not trading far from what? From our zone, from our buy zone or our intraday support zone. Let me just call that intraday support zone, right? So price kind of like came back, and we had what? And we had a reaction with price pushing to the upside. So once price creates at this high, to be honest, I told myself that, you know what, USD CAD has already reacted without me in the charts. But bear in mind that, okay, price has already reacted, but we haven't touched our buy zone. We have reacted bullish, but we haven't capitalized, or we haven't printed out a move, or we haven't touched our buy zone, right? So once we saw that, okay, price has reacted, or now price has moved bullish, all I told myself now and the team that, okay, guys, price also has already reacted, or price has already moved without us. Let's not look at USD CAD, right? So right after I posted that on the group, I now saw price having this bear engulfing candlestick that pushed clearly to the downside. So from this bearish engulfing candlestick, I had obviously this very same zone. Prices violated this zone, right? Once price had a reaction on this zone, violating with a breakout, you can tell that okay, prices pushed, moved clearly to the downside with a bear engulfing candlestick, and did what? And violated our buy zone. So from price violating our buy zone, we now knew that okay, we're not trading USD CAD, right? But price eventually closed above our buy zone. So obviously we had that breakout and that break back in, leaving a strong weak rejection. So once we had price leaving this weak rejection, or once price taking out the lows, or price violating our zone and still managing to close above with a rejection, I was like, okay, now price might be looking exciting. That's when I did what I waited for the coming candlestick, which was in like 1500 p.m. our New York open. So waiting for this coming candlestick, you can tell that it also had a bear open, but unfortunately we had a bullish close. So once we had a bear open with a bullish close, I now understood that okay, the first candlestick that rejected our zone had a bear engulfing candlestick which violated our zone, but unfortunately price still managed to close above our buy zone, but leaving a weak rejection. So from price leaving a weak rejection, with the coming candlestick, price had a bear open, but unfortunately closed bullish. So the candlestick in some terms flipped from being bearish, it flipped and turned bullish. Once that happened, that's when I was like, no, COT Academy team, guys, I was capping. Price has reacted on our zone and price left a rejection, and the coming candlestick had a bear open but still managed to close bullish. That's when we can take our trade. Once this current candlestick trades above the flipped candlestick which opened bearish and closed bullish, that's when you can take your trades. And once you look at it, guys, and when you look at it, you can tell that okay, the coming candlestick traded above the flipped candlestick which opened bearish and closed bullish, and the coming candle traded above the previous candlestick. And that's when you look for our 40 pip, for our 41 pip target, and that's when price did what? That's when price hit our TP, because we were simply targeting this previous highs, right? Price was just, we were just looking to take our TP on this previous highs, not looking for much, not looking for less, just focusing on what's important, right? Using price action and using currency strength and currency weakness. That's how we have capitalized, and that's how we took this wonderful trade. So let me repeat before I end this video to you guys, right? Price was in a bear structure, right? Or price was in a bear behavior. We've been printing out lower lows and lower highs, and we had that intraday support zone, right? We're calling it that intraday support zone. So price, before it came to our zone, it had a reaction that flipped and pushed to the upside. And on our New York candlestick, on our New York session, pre-New York, we had that bear engulfing candlestick that violated our support, but still managed to close above that very same support, leaving a weak rejection that took our lows out. So with that candlestick, we waited for the other coming candlestick, which was our New York open, which was in like 15:30 p.m. We waited for the candlestick to close, and once we had a flip from price being bearish to closing bullish, that's when we had now two confluences. One, we had a rejection that still closed above. Two, we had a candlestick that opened bearish and flipped and traded bullish. And three, once the current candlestick traded above the candlestick that flipped, that's when we anticipated that price might be good to go, and that's how we did what we took this wonderful trade. So guys, if you want to learn, or if you want to be part of the COT Academy team, if you want to capitalize like many traders are capitalizing, just text the number or just DM me or comment down below, and so COT Academy can do the rest from there. Because my aim is to make sure that all the gems that I share on YouTube doesn't just stay on the YouTube platform, they be spread out to traders, trader to trader, so we can all be professional, consistent, disciplined, and far most importantly, profitable. you guys get there. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and we're signing out.